I grew up traveling in the backseat of my family's wood-paneled station wagon. Getting lost fills my soul. It's who I am. It's embedded in my DNA. I'm on a mission to explore and experience every country on the planet, visiting the craziest, most unique places and people in every corner of the world. I'm Jim Kitchen. Join the journey. San Salvador is a city that's easy to imagine. Hilly with sharp volcanoes dominating its skyline, and most of its buildings are low-rise, not many skyscrapers. Most of them are 2 to 3 stories high, giving the place a low-key vibe. El Salvador is known for its temperate climate and fertile fields, and its wonderful coffee and its bananas. And I tried my hand at sifting through the coffee beans to find the best ones. Afterwards, I went to a local school where I helped teach English and math, and then afterwards went to cook some pupusas with the locals. El Salvadorians could not be any friendlier. They will go out of their way to help you with anything that you need.
Yeah?
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 Yeah? Okay.
Good. Now on the grill.
Okay, on the grill. Yeah. No one's gonna eat that one.
Oh, they will. Yeah.
Good.
Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to keep exploring and learning about the rest of the world. Join the journey.